All right, guys, back with another video. We're back on Flipgrid. Again, math with number, we already did number talks. This is the problem solving video. So with problem solving, you're gonna wanna make sure you're in Flipgrid, you're in the math class, you're clicked on discussion. And then for the day, I finally added the date for you guys so that you can see it. And this problem will change because this won't be your problem solving on this date. But for number talks and problem solving and my favorite no, you'll have the date of the math class or math assignment connected to it, so you know you're doing the right one. So problem solving 9/2/20, you'll go ahead and click on that. Again, it'll take you to this. For the problem solving, you'll see the question right here. And then this is what, so fifth graders should have done some of this last year. Fifth graders who are now sixth graders, you should have done some of this last year. Fourth graders, I believe you did some of this also, but I am not positive. So I want you to write it on your piece of paper, rewrite this question in sentence form. So for this one, it would be something along the lines of, you want to write your sentence to figure out what question we're trying to answer. So it'd be something along the lines of, there are blank ounces in 3/4 of a pound. Okay, because we want to know if we have enough cream cheese. You're going to draw me a model on your piece of paper, and you're going to do some computations. So what would you do if you didn't have the model, you were just using the numbers? What math would you use? Multiplication, addition, subtraction, division. So same as in the past, you're going to record your Flipgrid response after you solve the problem on a piece of paper. So Mr. Had has done that. I'm going to pretend to be the student now and record my video here. So, hey, Mr. Had, so for the problem solving for today, I wrote it in sentence form. I wrote it as there are blank ounces in 3/4 of a pound. You can see here my drawing that I drew, or my model. So I drew my model based on what you said about how many ounces are in a pound. So I did a tape diagram that's 1 pound, and then I separated it into 16 ounces because there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. Then I tried to figure out how many ounces would be in 4 groups. So if I made 4 groups, how many ounces would be in one group? And then it turns out there'd be 4. So then 3/4 would have 12 ounces in it. So 12 ounces is equal to 3/4 of a pound. So that would mean that we have enough. If I was to do this math-wise, let's see. I would have 16 ounces. I'd divide that by 4. That equals 4. I take that 4, I divide it, or I times it by 3 from the 3/4 to give me 12. So I know I have enough ounces to make the cream cheese. Now, usually you probably had to do the explanation, but I just gave the explanation, so I don't have to do it again. All right, so again, yes, you guys are going to need to have a paper and pencil for your social studies and your math lessons so that you guys can write down on paper. I expect you to do this math and show it to me in the Flipgrid so that I know you did it, okay? All right, you're gonna go ahead and click next. It's going to give you a preview of your video. Again, click back if you want to record again or add more to your answer. Click next. Take your selfie. Click next. Submit it. Fireworks. I'm done with the problem solving for the day, and I've submitted that. Okay.